Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'd like to share a flip through of my completed journal. It has lots of Daphne's Diary magazine journaling and junk journaling, and it is full of bright, happy colors. I love the look of clips and ribbons sticking out. So this book got really chunky. You can see how it was when I made it. The pages got so heavy, so when I hold a book like this, the paper block doesn't stand straight like before. Can I say it slants? Is this the right word? Anyway, it's natural because I didn't glue the paper block to the spine because I wanted the pages lay completely flat. Of course, I made this book myself. It has gold foils on this ombré background. If you want to see how it was before I filled it with my journaling, click the card at the top. You can watch the flip through video there. So I opened it up. I shared lots of pages journaling process on my channel. I'm gonna link all of them in the description box, so if there's a page you wanna watch the process, go to the description box below, click the link of the journaling title you wanna watch the process. By the way, I'm calling the journaling videos that I did in this book Season 2 because this is the second personal journal I'm sharing on my channel except travel journals, traveler's notebooks, and Christmas journals. So if you really like this book, so you want to watch all of the journaling process in this book, there will be a playlist called Junk Journal with Me Season 2. So this was Halloween journaling. I closed this envelope with repositionable glue so it can stay closed, but I can open it again whenever I want. Repositionable glue is so handy for that. I worked with my October Digital Vintage Linen Kit in this page. And this page is full of blue floral vintage linen digital kit. This page was Vintage Children's Book page. The animal illustration was so lovely, so I just added a journaling card at the corner covering the page as little as possible. Another Halloween journaling, and I left the vintage paper in the middle as it is. I just added a tag and washi tape on the narrow flap. This is a very simple page. The right page is violet all over. And I added a package that had a circle window at the corner on the left page, and this is a business card. This is another simple page. I just glued a vintage hanky on this vintage book page and journaled on it. This vintage hanky will be included in my next digital vintage linen kits. I'm working on it. And this gorgeous envelope on the right hand is from November Vintage Linen Kit. I love these scallops. It is another vintage hanky. I think it is from September Kids. Scallop that is always a great way to add some loveliness to your page. This is my another favorite page. I journaled with photos of live festival that I went 2 years ago. The live artworks were amazing. I actually included a part of one light show in the journaling process video. So if you want to watch a light show on the gorgeous Lyon Art Museum building, check the journaling process video. And the vintage linens in this page are all from flea market kits. This is very fruity and cheery page with a vintage doily as a journaling spot. And the last page is tulip journaling. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I'm more than happy with how this journal completed. I love that vintage linens are adding beautiful florals, different texture look, and vintage charm. And pictures and photos from Daphne's Diary magazine has added brightness and loveliness. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this journal flip through could give you some inspirations and ideas on how to use junk journal and digital vintage linen kits. I'll link everything I mentioned in the description box below, so check it if you're interested in journaling process and digital vintage linen kits. If you like this video, give me thumbs up so I can make more videos you like, and subscribe for future videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great and amazing day. Bye bye!